Okay, so this is our question number 5 from Leetcode SQL 50. So here's the question. We have this table called tweets, and we have two columns, tweet ID, which is integer type, and then content, which is a varchar. And tweet ID is the primary key, and then this table contains all tweets in a social media app. So here's the question. Write a solution to find the IDs of the invalid tweets. The tweet is invalid if the number of characters used in the content of the tweet is slightly greater than 15. Return the result in any order. The result format is in the following example. So here's one example. So this will be the input. Tweet ID 1 is vote for Biden, and 2 is let us make America great again. And the output is 2. So we are getting like the invalid one. So I'm just going to do select my tweet ID because that's the only column we are selecting from my table name, which is tweets. And then we only have to find content where the length is. So I can use the length function where length of content is greater than 15. Since it says strictly greater, it means we can't do greater than or equal to. It has to be greater than 15, and that's all it is. So pretty simple. Let me run it now. Run successfully. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and thank you for watching.